2006 Chevy Express high top Regency conversion van. Beautiful white tan leather, clean Carfax. Very nice, well kept one owner van. Trade in from a new car dealership. Super nice. Fully loaded leather, TV, DVD, rear entertainment system. Rear power folding bed. $125,000 original miles. Super clean. Inside and out. Shows very well. It's 2006 Chevy Express. Regency conversion, top of the line, leather, indirect lighting throughout. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help at any time. You can reach us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com. Give you the tour of the van. Super, super nice. Very straight down the sides, has a couple little small blemishes from normal wear and tear. I'll point everything out to you so you have a pretty good idea what you're looking at. Got chrome wheels, they're in good shape. Show a little bit of age, but they're in good shape. Tires are in excellent shape. You got about 70% left on the tread life. There's a couple little bug chips in the front bumper, very small, almost not noticeable. There's a couple little door dings back here. That's about it. Other than that, cosmetically, this thing is very nice mechanically, runs good, drives good. No warning lights on. Everything works the way it's supposed to. Has dual side entry doors, which is great. Got the beautiful tan leather, wood grain embroidered seats. Beautiful teardrop, indirect lighting, gorgeous mahogany wood grain. The leather seating throughout, flex steel seats. Regency conversions are pretty top of the line. Do a nice job. High quality. Everything's in good shape. Headliner. All the wood is very nice. The original owner's manual, original window sticker that goes with this thing. Super nice. Leather, loaded. 125,000 original miles. It is running. You can't hear it. There you go. It is running. Runs so good. I got the premium sound system, Sirius satellite radio ready, dual AC with your controls for your lights and everything right there. You have your books and manuals there. Super nice. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You can call or text us, 954-561-2499. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com. Beautiful flat screen TV. The wood grain is in excellent condition all the way around. Very, very, very minor cosmetics from the year and mileage. Overall, this thing shows very nicely. Not be disappointed in this van. If you're looking for it's a little paint blemish back here. Other than that, it's very nice. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. We're happy to help at any time. This is a V8 2006 Chevy Express. High top conversion van, Regency. Visit us, SupremeMotorsUSA.com. Thank you.